Students, we are doing chapter 4 quadratic equations, and in this we are taking topic nature of roots of the quadratic equations. Now, nature of the roots of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, depends upon the value of d, and d is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is known as the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Okay, now here we have three conditions. For the first condition, if d is equal to b square minus 4ac when greater than 0, then two distinct real roots exist. Okay, so when d value is greater than 0, that is the discriminant value is greater than 0, two distinct real roots will exist. Second condition, if d, that is b square minus 4ac, is equal to 0, that means the value of the discriminant is equal to 0, then two equal roots exist. That is, you can say coincident real roots will exist. For the third condition, if d value, that is the discriminant value is, which is your b square minus 4ac, is less than 0, then no real roots exist. So we have three conditions. Now we shall apply these three conditions to solve the problems of exercise 4.4. For the first question, it states that find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations if the real roots exist, find them. For the first part, the quadratic equation is 2x square minus of 3x plus of 5 is equal to 0. Now comparing the given quadratic equation with the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 2. Here the coefficient of x square is a, and in this the coefficient of x square is 2. That's why we get a is equal to 2. Here the coefficient of x is b, and in this the coefficient of x square is minus 3. So we get b is equal to minus 3. C means constant, and in this the constant is plus of 5. So we write c is equal to plus 5. Therefore now we will find out discriminant value, which is your b square minus 4ac, substituting the values of a, b and c. In this formula we get minus 3 square minus of 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So minus 3 square will give you 9, and minus 4 multiplied by 2 you get minus 8, and minus 8 when multiplied by 5 you get minus 40. So 9 minus 40 will give you minus 31, and minus 31 value is less than 0. So we find that d value is less than 0, that is discriminant value is less than 0. Therefore the given quadratic equation has no real roots. Since no real roots exist, so we will not find out. Now coming to the same question, second part. See the second part. The quadratic equation is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus of 4 is equal to 0. Again we shall compare this given quadratic equation with the standard form of quadratic equation, which is your ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And we get a is equal to 3. A is the coefficient of x square, and in this the coefficient of x square is 3. So we write a is equal to 3. b is equal to minus 4 root 3. B is the coefficient of x, and here the coefficient of x is minus 4 root 3. So we write b is equal to minus 4 root 3. C means constant, and in this constant is plus 4, so we write c is equal to plus 4. Now we shall find the value of the discriminant, which is your b square minus 4ac. Now b value is your minus 4 root 3. Put here minus 4 root 3, square of it minus 4. Then we have the values of a and c. Value of a is 3, value of c is 4. So we have put the value of a, b, c in the discriminant formula. Now we will find out minus 4 square is 16, root 3 square is 3 plus of 3. So 16 multiplied by 3, here we get, and minus of 4 multiplied by 3 we get 16, and 16 multiplied by 4 we get 48. So 16 multiplied by 3 we get 48, minus of 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. Since the discriminant value is 0, so two equal roots exist. And to find out the roots, we use the quadratic formula, which is your x equal to minus of b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. Now b value is minus 4 root 3. Put it here in this formula. So we get minus of minus 4 root 3 plus minus under root of 0. Because the discriminant value is found to be 0. We have already find out. So we put under root of 0. Whole upon 2 multiplied by 3. 3 is value of a. So here we will get minus multiplied by minus 4 root 3. You will get plus of 4 root 3. And plus minus under root 0 is 0. Whole upon 2 multiplied by 3. 3 can be written as root 3 multiplied by root 3. So this we will cancel out. Okay, 2 2s are 4, and 1 root 3 will be cancelled out. So we will get to the numerator as 2 and the denominator as root 3. And since the roots are equal roots, two equal roots are there, so we will write x equal to 2 upon root 3 and x equal to 2 upon root 3. So in this way we can find out the nature of the roots, and if the real roots exist, we can find out the roots by using the quadratic formula. Hope you understand. Thank you so much.